All right, so I'm here at FedEx. I'm gonna go pick this bad boy up. Man, I've been watching a lot of videos, been watching a lot of people use this phone, so I like the OnePlus devices, so looking forward to walking in here, picking it up, unboxing it, using the features. So here we go. All right, so I picked this up. I got the 128 8GB version from OnePlus. I ordered this on Thursday. The shipping was super quick. I ordered this on November 1st from OnePlus, 2-day shipping, and it's Monday, November 5th. I already received it. And I also ordered the nylon case. It comes in that cardboard box that OnePlus is famous for shipping stuff out in. And I got this nylon case. I wanted to get this for the OnePlus 6 last time, but I wasn't able to. So I got the, like I said, the Midnight Black version, and it's got a little OnePlus community sticker on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if you guys can see that there. Collection of individuals possessed of a tremendous understanding and superior taste in the finest technology. What's most important is that they are part of what we do, and that includes you. But yeah, man, we're gonna unbox this bad boy and check it out. And that is the Midnight Black. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the Midnight Black version of the OnePlus 6T, 845 Snapdragon, water drop notch, fingerprint in display reader, boop, and also the camera with the new features. So I'm looking forward to unboxing this. It's gonna be cool. I'm glad you guys coming along for the ride. All right, so you see everything that came in the box. You get a case with the phone. Obviously it comes in the box. You'll see get a letter or a word from Pete, the OnePlus CEO. So we'll read that here in a second. You saw the charger and dash charger. Has the fingerprint scanner there. There's a little message there to maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor. We recommend using screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partners. So please take heed that not all screen protectors will work with this fingerprint display reader. So make sure that you keep that in mind. We're gonna go ahead and fire this on and get this puppy set up. All right, while that's starting up, we're gonna check out this letter here from Pete. Open that up. Woo! Oh wow, this is like a nice little letter from Pete from OnePlus. Pete Lau, I guess is his name. And be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. And it goes on, just talking about how great the device is. So check that out. That's nice little personal touch from OnePlus. So we're gonna go ahead and start this puppy up. Do a little setup action. I'm gonna agree to all the goodness that is in here. Now I'm gonna do face unlock. Let's set that up real quick. Voila. Face unlock is set up and done. Took like 2 seconds. Now we're gonna do the fingerprint in display reader. Let's see. And you kind of just put your fingerprint there a couple times. See how long it takes. That's not bad, actually. It's gonna do the edge detection now. Takes I think it actually takes a lot longer than the other one. Fingerprint added. And you can add another one too, so, but that's done. We'll hit the Google Assistant real quick. But as you can see, the water drop notch. And then you have the, let's see. Whoa, that was pretty fast. So we don't need to add in anything else. I have the Midnight Black. Let's take that little sticker off there. Don't need that. Pretty much got some gestures to set up, open camera, music control, that kind of thing. And then, yeah, if you want to set up your screen's calibration, you can. You got default, sRGB, DSI, P3, adaptive mode, and custom color. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the default. You got a couple things for font. You got the Roboto and the OnePlus Slate. I'm gonna go with the OnePlus Slate, the one that's recommended. Then I will hit next, and there we are. We have the OnePlus 6T ready to rock and roll. Have my SIM card in there, and I will be using this as my daily driver. I will be putting this up, of course, up against the Poco phone. That is the Poco phone on the right, the OnePlus 6 on the left. So as you know, they both have the face unlock, so we will do it on both. Let's see if this works. Yep, that works on both. Face unlock, ready to rock and roll. You have the two backs here. You get the fingerprint display on the back here. Obviously none here on the, it's in the screen. Put the Poco phone there down for a second. I just want to do the display fingerprint reader. Boom. Just to kind of get used to it. Yeah, you just have to, it doesn't really, I thought it would have like more of a feedback on it. Doesn't vibrate or anything. Like I think somebody was saying that it kind of omits light to your finger. So it's slower than a regular fingerprint reader. As you can see, this one has the fingerprint reader on the back. You see how fast it is. And then when you go on this one, it just takes longer. But this you'll have face unlock also, so you have to take that into consideration. But yeah, that is the fingerprint reader on the OnePlus 6T. Let's do that again. It's kind of groovy. It'll freak some people out at work for sure. They'll be like, yo, are you Tom Cruise? I am. So we're gonna go take some pictures, and we're also gonna take some pictures at night, and we're gonna use this today to see how it rocks and rolls. This is really, really nice. I have an update directly from OnePlus, as you can see. So we're gonna check that out, see what that is. Check for updates. Yes, it is Oxygen 9.0.0. Improved screen unlock, brand new navigation gestures, optimized standby power consumption, and the works. So we're gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of that so we can save it, and we will download that later. All right, that is the OnePlus 6T. I'm gonna be doing some more videos on this, comparing it to the Poco phone, the Note 9 and sorts, but I'm liking that water drop notch. Very, 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 very slim and sexy. Reminds me of the Essential phone. This is the Midnight Black. I like this color, and you know the deal. We're gonna be checking out this phone the next weeks, months, so keep it locked right here on Android Stud. You can follow me also on Twitter at Android Stud, Instagram. Leave a comment down below if you got a question about the OnePlus 6T device. Now, I ordered this from OnePlus. This is not the T-Mobile variant. This is the one from OnePlus. So if you got any questions, leave a comment down below. Also, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subbed to the channel so you can get all the great videos on the OnePlus 6T, Poco phone, Note 9, the works. And that'll do it. I appreciate you guys watching. Catch you later. Peace.